of our webinar, we have got for you raffles. Now, what are these raffles? These will be explained to you by our Nitin Naik, the co-moderator. Please go ahead.
Hello. Yeah, hello. I'm back again for the lucky draw for all the attendees. Thanks for the overwhelming response. We had almost 400 registrations and around 300 people actually started with the webinar, and still we are having around 150 attendees there. So now I am conducting an online raffle. And I'll share my screen, and the computer will generate 3 lucky winners for today, and each winner will get a gift voucher of ₹1,000. Just sharing my screen. I hope the screen is visible to all.
It's coming. Yeah, it has come.
Yeah, so 1 minute. So we have, if you see here, so we had the registration dates 10 June until 10 June we had 232 registrations. So these are the names of the people who have registered, the attendees who have registered till 10 June. And after 10 June till 14 June, we got another 180 registration. So organizing committee have decided that we will be conducting raffle 3 times. So the first raffle lucky draw, the spin wheel will be for the first 232 registrations, and next 2 will be all the registrations of 390, 400 people. So I'm just now starting the first, let's see the first winner, who is the first winner. I'm just pressing this wheel. Yeah, so we have a winner straight away. Ruby Chatwal is the first winner of today, and I am now opening. I'm again showing you how all the attendees will have again the raffle contest. Just give me a minute. So I'm just opening this. Yeah, now here you can see almost 300 entries. Okay, and now I'm going to run the raffle 2 times, so we'll have 2 winners. So here it is, the second winner of the raffle. So we have a winner straight away, Banwari Jajodia, and all the winners will get a gift voucher on email. And now a time for the third lucky draw or a third raffle here, and we'll have a third winner. Please note all the names are there on the wheel for all 390 attendees. I'm going to press it once again for the one final time. So the third winner is Sujata Sonone. This ends, and we have the 3 winners for today, and all the winners will get the gift voucher on their emails. Thank you very much, and over.
Last, again, request attendees, please answer the poll by clicking the poll button on your screen and then only leave the webinar. We appreciate your support. Now I request Pradeep Dange to express the formal vote of thanks.
Hello. First of all, I must thank IPDG Krishnan Chittur. He had a wonderful feast of his thoughts sharing with us. There was a keynote address. Thank you very much for spending your time with us, Mr. Chittur, and traveling to India all the way from New York to India. And I must mention that while talking, he very nicely explained the positive piece and negative speech. 3 purposes of interacts, importance of youth exchange. So thank you, Mr. Krishnan Chittur. Then I come to Simon Harris. Simon Harris, very fundamental principles explained how is the complexity in solutions. A problem taken for resolution doesn't mean that the same solution will apply to everybody. An example he has given was very appropriate. Same type of house may not suit everybody if the people are houseless. Okay, thank you, Simon Harris. And then we heard a very busy person, Dr. Bharat Kelkar. And as Ravi said, DG Ravi, it's our honor to felicitate you. So in spite of all his busy schedule, he spent about 4 hours with us and shared his very thrilling experiences. And it was really thrilling, I mean thrilling experiences. We salute your work, Dr. Kelkar. Thank you very much. They were extremely touching. And most important thing was what you said. It is, even though it is painful, it is satisfying, and that is the purpose of existence. Very nice. What a wonderful work has been happening in Dr. Upendra Singh's district. His district is delivering great value to our nation. I thank DG and Dr. Upendra Singh for joining this webinar. And the idea of Peace Park in Rajouri is wonderful. So we'll be happy if you make us join in this initiative. And as DGE Rashmi said, we would like to visit the Peace Park. Father Varghese, his work is too good and an inspiration for all. And Rotarians can do anything that Pradeep repeated. Rotarians can do anything that nobody else can do. And he has been organizing Rotary Peace Conventions, and it's a very good initiative, or it can initiate the peace in our country and the world. Car rally to Pakistan is a very good idea he has floated. And Dr. Kiran Lal's talk, a very dynamic person, and that's why a dynamic district. I think he's the reason for his district being dynamic. Our sincere thanks to Dr. Kiran Lal. Coming to DG Dhiren Datta. Dhiren Datta summarized 3 hours in 3 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. And smile conveys the peace. That was a very nice idea he has conveyed to us. And finally, thanks to our own PDG Subodh, DGE Rashmi, and DGN Pankaj. And lastly, I must mention, very purposely I have kept him last. Ravi Dhotre was, lastly, I must mention, very purposely I have kept him last. Ravi Dhotre was the inspiration for us. He guided us for everything we needed for last 4 months, and his support to us has made this event successful. Lastly, and equally importantly, I thank everybody, all the participants, for spending this morning with us, especially Sunday morning. Thank you very much.
Something. Okay, Rotary Club of Nigadi, Pune. I have reserved a special thanks for them at the end of the thing. for a very special reason. From the day go when we floated this idea that, well, let us give a Rotary Peace Award, ladies and gentlemen, it is this Rotary Club of Nigri, Pune who came forward. They spent a lot of time in shortlisting awardees, and then they came up with Bharat Kelkar, and what a choice it has been. President Vijay Kalbhor and all your members, let me just mention to you that this was one of the greatest service you could have done to peace, Rotary Focus Area of Peace in this year. And Shubhangi, you did a lot of, you took a lot of initiative in the whole thing. Thank you very much. So please thank all your members who were there today for the Peace Award and this Peace webinar.
Lastly, I must mention, very purposely I have kept him last. Ravi Dhotre was the inspiration for us. He guided us for everything we needed for last 4 months, and his support to us has made this event successful. Lastly, and equally importantly, I thank everybody, all the participants, for spending this morning with us, especially Sunday morning. Thank you very much.
The